Hey, I'm Lily. Welcome back to FunMind. Today's tip is all about the apps every student should have, tools that make life way easier. Let's face it, some apps just belong on every student's phone. Wow emoji. First must-have app, a note-taking app. Organize subjects, store lecture notes, and sync across devices, small pause. Second must-have app, a task planner. Keep track of deadlines, assignments, and reminders. Visual layouts make planning stress-free, tiny pause. Third must-have app, scanner app. Turn handwritten work into digital files in seconds. Mind-blown emoji. Perfect for submitting homework or reviewing notes. Fourth must-have app, flashcard app. Review key concepts quickly and make studying interactive. It's a game changer for memorization, small pause. Extra smart app, collaboration app. Work on group projects, share files, and communicate efficiently. No more messy group chats or lost documents. Lifestyle connection. Having the right apps keeps you organized, efficient, and less stressed. Your phone becomes a real helper, not a distraction. Wrap up. The right apps don't just save time. They make studying smarter and more fun. Sparkle emoji. If this helped you, don't forget to like. And check out the next tip. It's all about screenshots and recording tricks.